Hello everybody, welcome back to It's Whatever. Today I have a pile of soda that I'm going to be shooting with a bunch of rifles to see what will soda stop. Okay, this is how my soda is set up. In line, see how many it goes through, and then I have a T on the back. See if we get any, if the bullets come out sideways, we'll catch them. Alright, so first we're starting with a 22 long rifle. Alright, solid lead bullet, no hollow point. Just nice and round. So we'll see what this does. Okay, it jumped one can out. Hit right in the center. Let's see. It went through a bunch of them. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow. 8, 9. It's in number 10. The right here, this is was the second to the last. The bullet went through sideways. Or either went in, I think it went in this side and came out that side sideways. And then here is the bullet. So a normal 22 long rifle went through a box and a quarter of Coke. I'm impressed by that. Now we're still using a 22, but it's going to be a 223 full metal jacket. It's going a lot faster than the 22 long rifle. Let's see what this does. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's take a look. It obliterated some cans, just completely blew them up. But it never made it into the second box. Okay, that one's hissing still. Completely destroyed some of them. I mean, and pulverized the box too. Just flung the box everywhere. Bits of can. I don't think we're gonna find the. Oh, there's some of the bullet. I think, yeah. Tore it apart. Crazy. Okay. Next off, we have our flintlock musket with 80 grains of powder, shooting a 50 cal lead ball. I didn't know where to put this on the scale because I don't know exactly how fast it's going. I think it's going somewhere around 1,700 feet a second, but it is shooting a very, very large round. So let's do this one. Okay, that did a fairly big explosion. Cans up front. Let's just split these ones open Left them laying there on the table. One solid box. 1, 2, 3, 4. Missed that one. I think it hit the top one. So 5. It's got it in this one. Let's see. Nothing in there. So it looks like it traveled up and maybe went out, upward. There's no bullet, but it just completely laid the one box open. Crazy. Missed the one can in it. Tore it up. Split them, cut the tops off all these. I do love that gun. Okay, so with the last shot with the musket, see that dog that ran out? That was our lab, and every time I shoot, he thinks I'm shooting at something that he can fetch, so out he goes. All right, so now he's locked up. We're moving on to the next gun. 30-30 out of a Marlin lever action. All right, it's gonna be good. Cans still everywhere. Again, rip the tops off of all these. Straight through the back of the box. Into the second box. Let's toss that one down. Second box hit right in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. Started diverting out to the side. Oh, look at this. Diverted out. Came out here. Dented that one can in there. And then hit the top of this box and skimmed that one. And then probably went off and out. That's crazy. Well, if it didn't divert up, we would have caught it. I don't think it had too much energy left. Alrighty, up next, 30-06, full metal jacket, military reloads, shot out of a M1 Garand. Alright, super nice, one of my favorites. And I'm even going to put an empty mag in it so we get the mag effect. The ding when it comes apart. So the front of the box hit right there dead center. Threw the box forward a little bit. Destroyed all the cans up top, and it looks like the ones on the bottom, or at least the ones on the top, are gone. One full box, half of another, diverted out the right side. All right. Tore the box up a little bit. Split that one, punched out. Looks like it drug a piece of metal with it into this box. So let me dig in here for a second. Oh. There's one. Nothing else damaged. Where did the bullet go? Maybe it bounced it back. Because this piece of metal was up against the box. Looks like it had the bullet sitting in it sideways. Let's take a look through here. Alright, I'm going to turn the camera off and take a look for this bullet, because I can't find it. Okay, could not find the bullet for the 30-06. Looked and looked and looked on the ground, on the table, through the cans, nothing. So we're moving on to the next one. 300 Winchester Magnum. Okay, it is a soft tip because I didn't have any full metal jacket, or I'll be shooting it out of this hunting rifle. Okay, one full box, flipped it up, shot low and hit low, went through all of them, damaged the table a little bit, went through it low on this side, just destroyed the cans coming out of this side. Oh, piece of copper, jacketing, more of it right here. And there it is, what's left of it anyway. Probably bounced off the table, came back up, and just left all the copper casing sitting there. Ooh, there's something in this one. Let's open it up. Ah. Huh. There it is. Peeled all the copper off of it. Again, only a box and a half. We've yet to make it through 2 boxes with anything. So Soto is pretty darn good at stopping stuff. Basically water with metal. Okay, so the 300 jumped out of my hands a little bit. I forgot how much that thing kicks. It's a big kicker. Anyway, I got the rest of the coke lined up. Since I don't have anything bigger than the 300, full clip of M1 Garand. Here we go. Ah, that was nice.